Hello, class. My name is Mr. Blue. Right, class. Today's lesson is math, geography, science, whatever that is. Right, that's it. You should get sent to the principal's office. Ouch! Right, that's it. Double the penalty, double the principal. Go now. What did you learn from the video? Right, that's it. I am sending you to the principal's office. Can you stop pressing my arm like that? You did well. Thanks. You did extremely bad today. I'll show you how to tie a knot. You have no legs. Your eyes are popping out of your head. Go on, try me. I dare you. Stop opening doors and go to the principal's office. Right, class, I'll see you next time.